Okay. Hi, John. I'm Christine, the nurse practitioner at Stevens. I'm just here to see you today. What brings you to our clinic?
I got a cough. I'm able to go away.
Can you tell me more about that?
I have the constant cough for several years. But I got very bad in the past 8 days.
Okay.
Well, to get the feedback, so I'm going to go second.
Have you ever seen a doctor for that?
Not really.
No?
Okay. Is there anything that seems to make it better?
I try some medication, rheumatism, but it doesn't help much. And I try to take a Tylenol PM, help me to sleep. So, and I think that helped a little bit.
Okay. So you're coughing at night too?
Yes.
And do you cough during the day as well?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Is there anything that you've noticed that seems to bring on the cough?
It has been constant for a few years. And I had a bronchitis 3 years ago, and I feel little like this. So when I had the bronchitis, I got antibiotic, but I cannot remember the name.
Okay.
So this time, I just don't know what caused that.
When you had the bronchitis before, did they give you an oral steroid like prednisone or Deprednisone?
I just remember the antibiotic, the oral antibiotic, but I don't remember.
Don't remember anything else?
Yes.
Okay.
And, I'm sorry, I cannot recall the name of that.
Do you notice any change in the cough with activity?
Yes. So I start to have the mucus, and the sputum has changed from white to yellow, and the amount suddenly increased.
Okay. Is there any blood in the sputum?
No.
Okay. All right. So do you notice any shortness of breath?
When I'm coughing, of course, I cannot catch my breath. But most of the time, I'm okay. But I cough so bad, it really bothers me.
Okay. Can you describe your cough? Is it a harsh cough, a dry cough, a congested cough?
Yeah, it's kind of like become congestive because in the beginning I don't have that much sputum, but I kind of have more. Yeah. Whenever I cough, I got something out.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So it used to be kind of a mild problem because you've had it for several years, but in the last 8 days you said it's increased. Can you rate how much that increase has been? Do you think that, it's gone from like a 3 to a 6 or,
I think like this for 5. Yeah.
It's about a 5?
Yes.
Okay. Out of 10, you think?
Yes.
Okay. Are you having any chest pain with that?
No, I don't have any chest pain, running nose. I just got a short breath while walking quickly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And is that something you do frequently? Like you do walk for exercise?
Yeah, I try to walk, 30 minutes around my house after dinner every day. Yeah.
Okay. And is it worse than when you're walking?
Yes.
Now?
Yes.
Okay.
If I try to walk very fast, definitely I'm not able to do that.
Okay. Have you noticed anything like wheezing or chest tightness? Pain in your chest?
I got some pain in my chest, I think, because of the muscle. I cough so hard. But not the pain from the lung or from the heart. I don't think they cause that. Yeah.
Okay. All right. What do you think is going on?
Do you think I got a bronchitis again? Because 3 years ago, I
Yeah.
had that, and it's similar.
Okay. And you have only had bronchitis one other time?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever been told you have asthma?
No.
Any history of pneumonia?
It seems like it's worse.
I had a cold about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yeah, and I just got the running nose, sore throat, ache, but it's just a cold.
Okay.
Oh, I remember the
Were you
coffee
doing anything
just
special then, on vacation or anything?
nothing really special, but I just remember the cough started when I had a cold, but I didn't
Okay.
pay attention. I thought it's from the cold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you kind of always have cough as a, like an everyday thing, but it was worse because you started a cold?
Yeah, but it's never bad like this.
Okay. So no history of pneumonia?
No.
And do you have any history of allergies? Like pollen, environmental things?
Yes, I have an allergy to sulfur.
Sulfa? Okay. All right. Ever been diagnosed with tuberculosis or exposed to anyone with TB?
No.
Okay. Have you done any travel outside the country? Okay. You ever been hospitalized overnight?
Oh no, I'm pretty good.
Okay. Any history of surgery?
Surgery? No, just I have C-section. That's the only thing I was in the hospital.
How about your John Smith?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I forgot.
Okay, no, scratch that.
Oh, Jean Smith.
Oh, Jane. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, you could be Jane and having a C-section.
Now you're Jane.
Oh, okay, now you've become Jane. All right.
This is from a
Sorry,
Bruce to a
Ms.
Caitlyn
Smith.
Jenner
Yeah.
here.
Only they transplanted a uterus. Okay, recollecting my thoughts. Do you take any medications, Jane?
Yes.
What do you take?
Multivitamin once a day.
Okay. Anything else?
Also, Osco every day.
Okay.
Osco or
Oscal for your bones, huh?
Yes, yeah.
What do you know what the dose is of that?
Just one tablet. I don't pay attention for the dose.
Okay, sure. Are your immunizations up to date?
Yes.
Okay. Did you get a flu vaccine?
Yes.
You ever had the flu?
I just got a cold 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Not that you know of then. Okay. Do you smoke cigarettes?
Yes. 2 packs per day since I was 18 years old.
Okay. Are you interested in quitting?
I'm not sure because, but the thing is, I know right now when I smoke, the taste doesn't good at all. So recent days, I'm not really smoke.
So this might be a good time to think about quitting. You've already cut back a lot.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe I can try.
Yeah. Okay, we'll talk about that later. Any history of drug use or alcohol use? No. Drink alcohol at all?
I like wine. Yeah, I like to glass of wine after dinner, or maybe with the dinner once a week.
Okay.
And I also love beers.
Okay. When do you drink beer?
Just for occasion when I hang out with my friend, or somebody come over.
Okay. Any drug use? No. Okay. All right. Let me ask you a little bit about your family history. Does anyone have any lung disease or lung conditions like asthma, TB, cystic fibrosis, emphysema? Just holler out if you hear any that sound familiar. Allergies, dermatitis, COPD, bronchitis.
I know my dad, he has hypertension and his cholesterol level is high. And my mom, she has mild depression.
Okay.
That's it, I know from that. So,
All right.
yeah.
How about your siblings? Are they in good health?
My siblings, they're good, yeah.
Okay.
They all in good health.
Okay.
I only have one older sister, so
Okay.
she's really good.
Okay. And do you have children?
Yeah, I have one son.
And how is his health?
He's good. He doesn't have any asthma, something like that.
Okay, so no lung disease, and anybody with any blood clotting disorders?
No.
No? Okay. All right, let me ask you just about a few symptoms that maybe you've noticed. Have you noticed, you said runny nose, is that continuing to be a problem, or was that just with the cold?
Just with the cold, all my other symptoms are gone except the coughing is getting worse.
All right, I'll just go through them, and you stop me if you hear one that sounds like one you've had recently.
Okay.
Earache, ear drainage, sinus pain, headaches, eye drainage,
I had a headache when I had a cold.
with the cold.
Yeah.
Okay, sore throat, hoarse voice.
So I have a sore throat, but right now it is okay.
Now, okay, okay. Nasal congestion, and that was again with the cold coming?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sure. Okay. And any swollen lymph nodes?
No.
Okay, great.
No taste.
All right. And then when you're up at night, are you waking up short of breath or just coughing?
Just coughing.
Just coughing?
Yeah, especially in the morning.
Yeah. And you said no chest pain except you feel like it's muscle
Yeah.
in origin. Okay. Have you noticed any swelling of your feet or anything like that? Your hands?
No.
No swelling.
Yeah.
How about heart palpitations?
No.
And when you're walking, you mentioned walking. Do you have any calf pain?
No. I just have short breath. I cannot catch my breath.
Sure. Okay. I think that we're ready for the physical exam now. Okay. I know.